In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple Google Ads accounts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a manager workflow so you can move between different accounts without logging in and out or juggling separate browsers. Start by opening your Google Ads account and signing in with the email you use for advertising. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns area. This is a quick way to confirm you're in the right place and that your account is active. Don't worry if you don't see any campaigns yet. This step is simply to get oriented. To manage several accounts under one roof, you'll want what Google calls an MCC or Manager account. This is designed for agencies, teams, or anyone who oversees multiple Google Ads accounts. If you already have one, great. If not, take a moment to create it. Google will guide you through a simple setup. Using a Manager account keeps everything organized, gives you consolidated access, and helps with permissions and billing management later on. Once your Manager account is ready, move from Campaigns to the Accounts section. This is where you'll actually connect the individual accounts you want to manage. Look for the plus icon. This is your Add button. Click it, then choose Link Existing Account. This option lets you bring existing Google Ads accounts under your Manager without changing their ownership or data. You'll be asked for the customer ID of the account you want to link. This is the 10-digit number shown in the top corner of a Google Ads account. Enter it carefully, without spaces or dashes. It's a good idea to double-check that you've got the right ID before you proceed. When you submit the request, Google sends a link invitation to that account. Depending on settings, someone with admin access on that account may need to approve the request. Once approved, the account will appear in your Manager account, and you'll be able to switch between it and others from a single dashboard. A few tips as you go. Make sure you only link accounts you're authorized to manage and keep customer IDs secure. If you don't immediately see the account after sending the request, give it a moment and verify that the invitation was accepted. After linking, you can view performance, manage campaigns, and apply changes without logging in separately, which saves time and reduces errors. That's the core process. Access Google Ads, confirm your Manager account, go to Accounts, use the plus icon to link an existing account, and enter the correct customer ID to connect it. With that setup, managing multiple Google Ads accounts becomes streamlined and efficient.